Hello everyone.
Welcome to the Retirement Cafe.
That's right, and today we're going to make an easy shrimp scampi done in nice juicy feast done in about 20 minutes. Now to make a fresh shrimp scampi, I'm going to put some 1.5 teaspoons of Creole in it, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix this all together.
To make a very flavorful.
That's right. A couple pounds of shrimp here. Calls for a pound. So I got a couple pounds here. I'm gonna make extra. Then just coat it all. Yes.
Oh, baby. That looks good.
Yes, indeed. Now we're going to heat up the skillet to cook the shrimp and make a scampi sauce. It's a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of butter.
Get that going, get that nice and hot.
Now the pan is hot, we'll throw in the shrimp, cook for 2 minutes. Cook on each side, a minute on each side. We'll be flipping it over in a minute.
That looks good.
On medium heat. Tablespoon of garlic. Mix that all up. Until it gets nice and fragrant. It'll only take like less than a minute. 1/2 cup of white wine. 1/4 cup of lemon from a freshly squeezed lemon juice from a freshly squeezed lemon. And we'll cook this for like 3 more minutes. Okay, now that this sauce been cooking for 3 minutes, I'm adding 3 more tablespoons of butter. Stir this up a little bit. While that's mixing in there, I'm going to take the shrimp out of here temporarily.
Get that all nice in the bowl.
Now we're going to add the linguine to the sauce.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
And now our shrimp goes back in.
Finishing touches.
And we stir it up some more. And this is your shrimp scampi.
That looks good, honey.
And now for a little bit of parsley.
Now for the taste test. I must say it looks incredible. Magnificent. And the linguine. This is a keeper.